Hi guys, good morning. Today is April 1st. Yay! Technically it would be April Fool's, but this is a daily decision making, so not playing tricks. But let's read the directions for our daily decision making slide number 6. The directions read about Alvin. X out the bad social choices Alvin uses. Alvin is rude and butts into others' conversations. Alvin interrupts others and does not listen to what anyone else says. He does not take turns either. So you're going to put an X on his bad social skills. Our choices are nice and polite, rude, does not listen, listens to others, interested in others, and takes turns. Also, I'd like you to talk with your parents or supervisors about some of the social skills that you think are important. If you were dealing with somebody like Alvin, how would you handle it in a professional manner? Because sometimes when you go to work, you're going to find somebody that does some of these things, and you're going to need to be able to talk to them without losing your job. So talk to your parents or your supervisor, and then log into Canvas problem solving, and it's slide 6. Have a great day, you guys.